What if I told you that the water on Earth may be older than the Sun? It might sound like a wild claim, but recent research suggests that our understanding of the origin of water in the solar system may be more complicated than we thought. Scientists have found evidence that challenges our previous assumptions about where water comes from and how it is distributed in the solar system. One study analyzed the composition of water in asteroids, focusing on the ratio of deuterium to hydrogen in water found in comets and protostars. This points to the possibility that water may be more widespread in the early solar system than we previously thought. Hello everyone, welcome back to TUAC, the Universe Astronomy channel where we bring you the most recent news about the endless unknown universe, the secrets of astronomy, space news and NASA update. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to not miss any of our interesting videos. Water is essential to life as we know it, and scientists have long been fascinated by the origins of water on Earth. For years, the prevailing theory was that water on our planet was delivered by comets and asteroids that formed in the outer solar system, beyond the orbit of Jupiter. However, a new study published in the journal Nature suggests that water on Earth may actually be older than the Sun itself. The study, which was conducted by an international team of researchers, focused on the analysis of meteorites that originated from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The researchers found that the ratio of hydrogen to deuterium, a heavier isotope of hydrogen, in the water contained within these meteorites was significantly higher than the ratio found in water on Earth. This indicates that the water on Earth did not come from these meteorites. Instead, the researchers suggest that the water on Earth may have been formed in the protoplanetary disk that surrounded the Sun during its formation, before the planets themselves were even fully formed. If this is true, it would mean that water has been present on Earth since its very beginning, and may have played a crucial role in the emergence and evolution of life on our planet. One of the most significant findings of recent research is that the water on Earth may be older than the Sun. According to scientific theories, the Sun and its planets formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula, which collapsed under the force of gravity. This collapse caused the formation of the Sun at the center of the nebula, with the surrounding material coalescing to form the planets. These findings indicate that the water on Earth may be older than the Sun, as it is believed to have originated from interstellar space rather than the solar nebula. This challenges our understanding of the formation of the solar system and raises new questions about the origins of life on Earth. Deuterium, enriched water, also known as heavy water, is a type of water that contains a higher amount of the isotope deuterium, which is a heavier form of hydrogen. Deuterium makes up only about 0.2 of all hydrogen on Earth. The study of deuterium, enriched water, is important for understanding the origins of water on Earth because it allows scientists to determine the source of the water. The deuterium ratio in water from different sources varies, which means that the deuterium ratio can be used as a signature to trace the origin of water. Recent studies have found evidence of deuterium, enriched water in comets, which has led some scientists to suggest that water on Earth may have originated from comets that formed in the early solar system. One study published in the journal Nature Astronomy in 2019 analyzed data from the European Space Agency's Rosetta spacecraft, which had rendezvoused with a comet named 67 Churyumov-Gerasimenko. The study found that the deuterium ratio in the water vapor emitted by the comet was much higher than the deuterium ratio in water on Earth. This finding suggests that the water on Earth did not come from the same source as the water in the comet, but rather that the water on Earth may have originated from comets that formed in the early solar system. The theory is that as comets collided with the Earth, they delivered water to the planet's surface, which eventually accumulated to form the oceans. However, the idea that comets delivered water to Earth is not without its challenges. Some scientists have pointed out that the deuterium ratio in some comets is still too high to match the deuterium ratio in Earth's ocean. Other theories suggest that water on Earth may have originated from asteroids or from within the planet itself. The deuterium ratio, which is the ratio of deuterium to hydrogen, is a crucial factor in understanding the origin of water in the solar system. Deuterium is a heavier isotope of hydrogen that is less abundant than its lighter counterpart. Observations show that the deuterium ratio in the solar system is about 150 times higher than the deuterium ratio in the Earth's oceans. This significant difference implies that the water in the solar system's inner regions, including the Earth, was not formed from the same material as comets and Kuiper belt objects. Scientists believe that the higher deuterium ratio in the solar system's inner regions may have resulted from a process known as photochem photochemistry. This process occurs when ultraviolet light from the sun causes water molecules to break apart, leading to the loss of lighter hydrogen atoms. The heavier deuterium atoms are less likely to escape and therefore accumulate, resulting in a higher deuterium ratio. The difference in deuterium ratio between the inner and outer regions of the solar system supports the idea that water on Earth predates the formation of the Sun. The water on Earth is believed to have been delivered by comets and asteroids during the late stages of the planet's formation. The composition of this water is similar to that of water found in comets and Kuiper belt objects, which have a lower deuterium ratio than the inner solar system. The evidence presented in the previous sections suggests that water on Earth may have originated from comets and asteroids that formed in the early solar system. These bodies likely contained water that formed in the protoplanetary disk before the Sun itself had fully formed. The discovery of deuterium, enriched water in comets, also supports this theory. The question of whether water on Earth is older than the Sun is difficult to answer definitively. However, the evidence suggests that it is a possibility. The water that formed in the protoplanetary disk would have been present before the Sun fully formed, meaning that it would be older than the star itself. It is important to note that the evidence is not conclusive, and there may be other sources of water in the solar system that could have contributed to the water on Earth. However, the evidence for comets and asteroids as a source of water is strong, and the discovery of deuterium, enriched water in comets, provides further support for this theory. In conclusion, while we may not have a definitive answer to the question of whether water on Earth is older than the Sun, the evidence points towards the possibility that it is it. The origins of water on Earth are complex and multifaceted, but the study of comets and asteroids provides valuable insights into the early solar system and the formation of our planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos about the universe.